Hello there. It's nice seeing you again. It's time to unravel the principles of design. Alright, design enthusiasts, let's talk about a game changer in making your creation stand out. Emphasis, also known as dominance or focus. Picture this: you have something important, like being a vegan cake company in a world of regular cakes. You want that vegan message to pop. That's where emphasis kicks in. It's like putting a spotlight on the star of the show. Emphasis is not just about making things different, which is usually done using contrast. It's about making them important. Imagine Burger King. What's the first thing you think of? Those massive burgers in their ads, right? That's the power of emphasis in action. Now, there are three stages to this emphasis party. First, dominant, the star player. This is your main focus, like burgers in Burger King example, given the most visual weight and usually upfront. Subdominant, the supporting actor. These are the secondary elements like background details adding to the overall story. Third one is subordinate, the background crew. The least visually heavy, usually in the background, completing the scene. Now, how do we achieve this emphasis magic? 1. By placing things in prominent positions. 2. By playing with interesting or unusual shapes and colors. 3. By leaving space around your main things. 4. By playing with light. It's like your design's spotlight. Now here's a cool trick. Ever heard of the rule of thirds or golden ratio? If you have watched my previous videos, then you must already have heard of it. These are like secret weapons for planning where your emphasis should go. They help strike the perfect balance between being noticed and fitting right in. And here's a fun fact to keep in your design toolkit. The visual center is where your eyes naturally focus, slightly above and to the right of the actual center. It's like the VIP spot in a visual party. So, if you want your design to be the talk of the town, master the art of emphasis. I hope you found the content helpful and inspiring. Feel free to check out my other videos related to design. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design insights. Don't forget to share with your friends and fellow designers. Hasta la vista, cheero!